afternoon, Monica. Now we are going to discuss the topic regular expressions. This is the topic, last topic in our fourth unit. So in the fourth unit, we discussed different topics like file, okay, next actions, how to deal with the files and how to handle the different errors by using the actions. Now this is the topic very different from previous two topics. So first of all, we have to know what is regular expression. So regular expression is the sequence of characters which defines the patterns. In a simple way, it searches, it matches, it finds the different patterns from the input. Okay. So if we given any string or any list or any data type, from that input, it will search for different patterns. It will search for different set of sequence of characters. Okay, simply it will search based on your given condition. Okay, so then it will use what you search and where it is located. Okay, now so we have different search methods. So by using one module, that is the read, to match, to search, so different actions will be there. So we will see one by one. So mainly 4 functions are there. So we can see here. So these 4 functions, 5 functions are there. So each and every function will be having different programs. We will see. So the first one is match. Okay. First function is match. Okay. So in the starting line we have the definition of regular expression. Regular expression is a sequence of characters that defines different search patterns. So whatever you want to search from the given input, it will search by using what? One module is there, that is the read module. So module name is the read. Okay, read. R means regular, E means expression. Okay, so one more short name is there for this, that is the regex, regular expressions. Okay, so different functions are there in the read module. The first method is match. Okay, so how match will be used in our read module, we will see. So what is our aim? To search, to match, to find different patterns from the input. Okay, we supply some input. From that input, we match different patterns. So what is the pattern? Pattern may be sequence of characters or sequence of symbols. So different patterns will be there. So number patterns. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is the number pattern. Okay. So star, star, star. Okay. Next hash, hash, hash. So this is like a symbol pattern. Okay. So A, B, C. Next D, E, F. So like this we have different patterns. Okay. So to identify, to search, to match, to figure out, to find. So these patterns we use the read module. Okay. So read module contains different functions. So how many functions are there? 5 functions are there. So the first function is the match. So how the match will work, we will see in the program. Okay. So while we are working with the read module, first of all we need to import that. Okay. So what is the module name here? Read. So by using the keyboard import, so we can import any library or any module, okay, any standard libraries, so we can use. So this read is the read module name. So then I given one input, so to the variable text. Text is equals to Python is easy. So one string assigned to the variable text. Okay, now the text contains one string, that is Python is easy. So I created one more variable, that is the whenever you want to use particular function, so you need to call that module name. Okay, so mat part, so like as a PLD, numpy as a NP. Okay, so with the smaller names, so we assign, and then if you want to use those modules, we need to call. Okay, so read dot match, read is the module name, match is the function. So then here, so what is there and comma text is there. So what is this code and what is this? So we know that look. Okay. So here what is this text? Text is the variable that contains this class string. Okay. So then what is this Python? Python is the one word, my search element. So what is the Python? My search element or match element. So I am going to do match the word Python is in the text or not. So I am going to match the word Python is in text or not. So Python is there or not? Python is the word. The word is available in the text or not? Yes. So it is available. So at which place? At the first place. Okay, so then I am going to print the result. So this match result will be stored in this variable result. So then I am going to print the result. So first we will see after the execution, then we will change this word, okay, to another word. So what will happen is this. Okay, so just already save this program. Okay, so I am going to press F5. So what is the output? You got. So what's of the read of the match object? Span is equals to 0, 6. Match is equals to Python. Okay. So here the word Python will match in the text. So that is in the first position, 0 to 6. So P is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 6 means 6 is excluded. So 0, 6 means what? 0 is included. So 6 is excluded. So 0, 6 means 0 to 5 only. Means at the first position. So at the first position, 0 to 6. 0 to 6 means 0 to 5 span. So that is the range. In that range, the word is matched. What is that word? Python. So the match code is Python. Okay. So match is found. So that is why it is given match code is equals to Python. So now I am giving another word. Okay. So another word that is easy. So easy is the second word. Okay. So from the text. Okay, easy is the second word. So I save and press F5. So what is the output here? What is the output? None. So why? Easy is there, but easy is not matched. Okay, why? So here what definition is there for match? So match is the pattern only at the beginning of the string. Okay, we can observe that. So match is the function. It will match at the beginning of the string. If the match will match at the beginning of the string, then the matched span and matched word will be displayed at the output. If no match is found, the output is none. Okay, so I think you understand. So at the first time I given the word Python. So Python is the word. So that is the first starting word in the raw text, raw string. Okay. So is the second word. Okay. So according to the match definition, it will matches only at the starting. Okay. It won't search. It won't match. So after the first match, okay, after the first word. So is the second word. So that is why. So it is produced the code. So none. So if we give another word, so that is not there in the text. Okay. So DDD not there. So press Ctrl S, press 5. So at this time also, what is the output? None. So we can conclude that match is the function. So match is the remodeling function. It will matches. So starting of the string. Okay. So then we have second one. So search. What is that? Second function search. So this is the first function match. Okay. So I am closing this. Next I am opening the second method, the second function. Okay. So what is the function name here? Search. Okay. Save. This is the definition of regular expression. So I am putting in module. Okay. Then now the text is equals to I love Python. Now the text is equals to I love Python. Last string input. Okay, so result is equals to read dot search. What is the function name? Search. So what I am searching? Love. From part text. So from text, I want to search the word love. So love is there or not? Love is there. What is the number? So what is the word number? First or second? Second. So here I am printing this result. Okay, so here definition of search is there. So what is the definition? Search is the function. So the pattern identified and matches from wherever. You know. So anywhere in the string. So anywhere from string, anywhere. So it will identifies and searches and produces the correct match. If the match is found, so that span and the match code will be displayed in the output. If no match found, the output is none. Okay, so here the love is second row. Okay, so whether it is matching or not, we will see. So we are pressing F5. Okay, so see, read dot match. The search is like a match. Search is like a match. So it will matches each and every word. If the match is found, so span. What is the span? 2,6. 1C. So is it correct or not? So I is 0. So space is 1. So where the love started? L started 2. So 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 is excluded. Okay, 2, 5. So within that span, your word love is existed. Match. So next to match code is love. So we can see what is the match code? Love. So if we change this search word, okay, so to another. Okay, suppose if I given like this, so Control S press F5. Okay, what is the output? None. So till now we discussed two functions. One is match and another one is search. Okay. So match will what is that? What is the match? Just it will match at the starting of the string. So what is search? Search will match anywhere in the string. Here. So next part 1. Find all. What is the part function? Find all. Okay. So till now we searched only what is that? Alphabets, characters only. So by using find all, we can search any digits or any symbols or any characters. Okay. So we can find, we can match, okay, we can search any type of pattern. Okay. By using match and search, character type of pattern will be searched. Okay. By using find all, so we can find, we can search any pattern like a digit pattern or character pattern or symbol pattern. Okay. So find all. Okay, I am closing this program. So part 1 is digits. Okay, so now I want to search only digits. Okay, you can match and you can search only digit patterns by using find all. Okay, search and match only searches the character sequence. Okay, so now result shows the find all r/d plus r/d plus. We have to know its meaning. Okay, so what d plus not slash d. I will show different. Okay, so if we have dot means is about any character. So cap start of the string, dollar end of the string, slash d. What is the slash d meaning? It is for digits. Slash d for slash d for digits. Okay, next slash w for characters. Okay, so different patterns can be identified by using these notations. So we have slash s, slash n, like that. No? So slash d is for digits, slash w is for word characters. Okay, so next one more is there plus. What it indicates? One or more. Plus is for one or more. So now combine all these. Okay, so what we have? Slash d plus. So what is it? What is the meaning of slash d plus? It will search for digits, for more digits. Okay, not one digit pattern. So more than one digit pattern it will search. Slash d is for digits. Slash d plus indicates that. So it will search for more than one digit. Okay. So now from where we are searching? From the text. So already given the text string. So that contains my numbers are 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. So 2-digit patterns are there. 1, 2, 3 is one and 4, 5, 6 is another. Okay. So now I am going to print the result. Okay. So now press F5. So what is the output? Only whatever digit patterns are there from the string, whatever we supplied the input as a string, so that contains the digit patterns. So only those digit patterns are displayed. If you want to display character patterns, so we have to use slash w. Slash w is for word characters. Slash d is for digit. Okay, capital D is for not a digit. Okay, so these are different notations. Okay, by using these notations, we can search anything. We can search any pattern. Okay, so there only plus is there. So we use question mark. So it will search for 0 or not, means true or false conditions. Okay, so I will give total rows. Okay, this is for the part function, that is find all. Next, what is part-1? So now part-1. Means substitute means replacing. Okay, so what it will do means, so if you want to replace any existed pattern, okay, so already you will give some input. So from the given input, if you want to change, if you want to modify any word or any pattern, so we can replace or we can substitute that old word, old pattern by new pattern by using sub function. Okay, so that one only we will see here. So import the re module. We are importing the module re, and the text is equals to I like Java. Okay, what I am applying? The input is I like Java. So now I want to replace the word Java with Python. Okay, so So then that can be done by using sub function. Sub means what? Substitute. So result is equals to read dot sub. Okay. So Java comma Python. Java is the old word, existing word, and Python is the new word, means pattern. So we should not call word. So Java is the old pattern and Python is the new pattern. So from where I have to replace? So text. So when the text. So then that will be stored in the variable result. Now I am going to print the result. So then this Java will be replaced by Python. Okay, we are pressing F5. So what is the output here? I like the Python. So what this substitute function does means it will searches the given pattern. Okay, then the searched pattern will be replaced by new pattern. Okay, this is the fourth function. Next, we have one more function in our module. The function name is split. The function name is split. Okay. So what it will do is it will divide based on given pattern. So based on given pattern. Okay. So whatever all the functions will use the patterns only. So what it will do? Split will divide the given string or given input. So based on the given pattern. So that one we can observe here. So import module. So now I am giving text is equals to apple comma banana semicolon grape. So observe clearly. After apple we have comma, after banana we have semicolon. Okay, so then last grape. Okay, so then result is equals to read dot split. I am going to split the given string based on given pattern. So what pattern I am giving in the function split, comma and the semicolon. So wherever this pattern will match, so if that match, the string will be divided. Okay, so means so here comma is there, so then the string will be divided here. So now the second part is semicolon. Again this string will be divided at the matched case. Okay, so semicolon. Here it will divide. So then that will be stored in the result. So then I will print the result. So we will observe the output. So what you will get. Okay. So what is the output? Apple, comma, banana, comma, grape. So just single string I given. So this is the single string. Means here quotation is there, here quotation is there. So within the quotation, that is the entire single string. Okay. But I have divided at the pattern. So different pattern. So by using split based on different pattern, I divided that single string. Okay, now read dot split. So at the position of comma and at the position of semicolon, the single string divided and displayed as a list. We got so list. Okay, so here comma is there, here also comma is there. So split function will give the list. So in our students we discussed that. So this is how regular expressions will be used in finding and searching different patterns. So mainly the applications are text processing. The main application of this regular expression is the text processing. So like encoding, decoding. Okay. So by sending a message from transmitter to the receiver, okay, different secret messages will be sent. Okay, so encoding and decoding systems. So the secure systems uses different secret messages. So while decoding, we know how to identify what is the secret message. So by using part. So these techniques, these regular expression methods will be used to decode different hidden messages. Secret messages will be decoded, and the information will be sent to a particular department of the security purpose only. Okay, so several applications are there. Messaging. Okay, so different messaging applications are also there, but this is the main application. So there is a text processing. Okay, now. So this is regular expressions. With this we finish the code training.